Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do, it's called Afro House. I've started it. I want to show you the whole project here. I think it's finished. I need to search down the resonant cloud vocals. Sure you liked the video and subscribe if you haven't. I've been checking on my analytics. If you guys are watching the videos but not subscribing, can you please subscribe so that you can grow? Here's the whole project. Yeah guys, this is the project. So I started here with the drums. If you can feel it, it feels like it's a GQOM track, you know. But I fuse it with some element of the house and commercial house. This is my kick, yeah. Yeah, it's booming. This element are from compact that I'm going to be giving away for free. I bought it from GQOM Tune. I bought it. Next, this was this lead. And there's another pad here. It feels like they are it's an organ. I don't know anything about chords, but some of us I know they're very good with chords. I don't know what is this key. What is this? Is D. This is A. This is D. This is G. I don't know what is a minor or a major. I don't know, but I just played it. The preset here is Dino EP1 from Purity. Next is a Purity again. You know this as is tremolo signal. What else do you have? Yes. Okay, it's another lead. Adding from the other X60 octave, and this kick and tom from the other pattern, so I think so. Ooh. This is the sound which is here. Maybe it's here or there. Maybe 2 minutes of the song. Nice drum from DJ Odyssey. This plug here. Space plug. And this, just put it on 12 down, on octave down. This is FM sub, the famous FM sub. Next to this. Ooh. This one's for the groove. Nothing else. Then the whole beat is sounding like this. I can sing, but I can't. Ta-da-da-da, ta-da-da-da, Ta-ra-ra-ra. Ta-ra-ra. Ta-ra-ra-ra-ra. Let me record myself. Ta-ra-ra-ra-ra. Ta-ra-ra-ra-ra. Ta-ra-ra. Ta-ra-ra. Indaba inkulu ayisazekeli. Hey. Let me just stop. Yeah. Let us see what I just recorded. Ta-ra-ra-ra-ra-ra. Indaba inkulu ayisazekeli. Wow. Maybe I must finish this song and write some lyrics. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like the video, please. Indaba inkulu. Indaba